Dispute, Beast versus Credit Versio. Which credit tool is better? Managing and improving your credit score requires the right tools, and both Dispute Beast and Credit Versio aim to simplify that process. Dispute Beast and Credit Versio are two popular credit repair platforms that help users identify errors on their credit reports and send dispute letters to the major bureaus. Dispute Beast focuses on an automated, hands-off dispute process, while Credit Versio uses artificial intelligence to guide users through a self-directed repair journey. This comparison breaks down how each platform works so you can choose the one that best fits your credit goals. Dispute Beast is a credit repair platform designed to automate the dispute process and remove the complexity of challenging inaccurate items on your credit report. The platform pulls your credit data, identifies potentially negative or disputable items, and generates dispute letters that are sent on your behalf to the three major credit bureaus. Its approach is largely hands-off, making it appealing for users who want a done-for-you experience without needing to understand the technical details of credit law or bureau processes. The platform tracks dispute progress and updates users as responses come in, keeping everything organized in one place. Dispute Beast is particularly useful for people dealing with collections, late payments, and other derogatory marks that may be inaccurate or outdated. It truly shines for users who want a straightforward, automated solution that handles the heavy lifting. Dispute Beast is best suited for individuals new to credit repair, busy professionals, and anyone who prefers a managed approach over a self-directed one. Credit Versio is an AI-powered credit repair platform that analyzes your credit reports and recommends a personalized dispute strategy based on what it finds. The platform integrates directly with credit monitoring to give users a live view of their scores and report changes over time, helping them see the impact of each dispute as it happens. Its AI evaluates which negative items are most likely to be successfully disputed and prioritizes them accordingly, giving users a smarter and more targeted approach. Credit Versio also provides educational content and guidance throughout the process, helping users understand their credit profile and make informed decisions. The platform supports unlimited disputes and walks users through the process step by step, making it transparent without being overwhelming. Credit Versio is best suited for motivated individuals who want to stay actively involved in their credit repair journey and appreciate data-driven guidance along the way. Feature comparison. Dispute Beast and Credit Versio both aim to improve your credit through strategic disputing, but they differ significantly in approach. Dispute Beast is best suited for users who want an automated, largely hands-off service that manages disputes on their behalf. Credit Versio stands out for users who want AI-guided recommendations, real-time score tracking, and a more transparent, self-directed process. Each platform excels depending on whether you prefer full automation or informed involvement in your credit repair. Final thoughts. If you want a simple automated credit dispute service that works in the background with minimal effort required on your part, Dispute Beast is a strong choice. If your goal is to actively monitor your credit, receive AI-driven dispute recommendations, and learn more about your financial profile along the way, Credit Versio delivers a smarter and more engaging solution. The best platform ultimately depends on whether you value hands-off automation or data-guided transparency.